Namaskaram everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will see how to register for an inner engineering program through the Sadhguru app. The Sadhguru app is the one step, this is the only app that you need even in your Android or iOS or whichever phone you're using. The Sadhguru app is there. Download the Sadhguru app. See, can you see this? This is the Sadhguru app. So once you download that, you can register for any Hatha Yoga or inner engineering program conducted by the foundation in all major cities in India and abroad. So let's go directly into the app. You click on the Sadhguru app. So this is how it looks. So you can see the various programs on top. Then Sadhguru Code, guided meditation, inner engineering online. So now we'll check. At the bottom of the screen, you can see home, wisdom, yoga, community mode. Click on yoga. Okay. Now on top you will see yoga, meditate and upcoming. Click on upcoming. So here you can choose your country. You can choose whichever country you're from. Now here we're going to choose India. Then click on change location. So click on the location. Now I will choose Mumbai and show programs. As you can see, these are all the programs: Surya Kriya, Angamardana, Yoga Asanas. So inner engineering completion with Sadhguru, which has been postponed because of the coronavirus. Now let's see inner engineering in Nerul, Mumbai. You click it. So here you can see all the details: minimum age, language, the program fee, daily 2 batches, morning 6 to 9 a.m. or evening 6:30. Pre-registration is mandatory. You will see the contact number, the email ID, everything. There are 2 options: inquire and register. Click on register. So it will go to a site. My net is a bit slow, I guess. So here it's loading. Okay, fill in all your details and then just register, guys. Hope you guys found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a like or dislike, but this is what it is. You can share this video with your friends because this is the one query that a lot of people get. So Android or iOS app, definitely download the Sadhguru app. Namaskaram.